Hello, people. Welcome back. Thank you so much. In this session, we will talk about what are the stages of a team development, which we also call as in Tuckman team development or Tuckman team stages. This was developed by Mr. Bruce Tuckman. He was an psychologist, educational psychologist, and he has identified these 5 stages for the development process that most teams follow to become high performing, and he has called these stages in a series. One, you will form the team will go through the storming stage, then the norming, performing, and last is the celebration, which is called as an adjourning. So what is the team development? The process of learning to work together effectively is known as a team development. So what you talk about the first stage, which is the forming stage here. Forming stage involve period of orientation, getting acquainted. Uncertainty is high during the stage and people are looking for the leadership and authority. So a member who asserts authority or its knowledgeable member maybe looked to take control. So some of the team members are asking question like as what does the team offer for them or for me? Will I really fit in this or not? Or most interaction are social member get to know each other. So basically in forming, when you are creating a team, you are finding the right skill set for the task that need to be performed, creating a team that is called as in forming. Now the most critical stage which comes in team development is the second one is called as an storming stage. So what is in the storming stage? The storming stage is the most difficult, critical stage to pass through. It is period marked by the conflict and the competition. Individual personalities emerge. So members may disagree on the team goals, maybe within the group or outside the group. May form around strong personalities or area of agreement, like as they are creating a group, maybe somebody is really influential. So most of the team member will go and support that. And there may be the other person, maybe something is positive, something negative. So sometimes one person is a highly influential, sometimes one person is a highly influential in some other area. So there will be group will be formed, which generally they conflict with each other. So as a project manager, if you want to get through this stage, member must work to overcome obstacles, accept individual differences, and to work through conflicting ideas on the team task and goals. Teams can get bogged down into the stages, and failure to address conflicts may result in a long-term problem. And that's what, as a project manager, your important roles comes here, how you handle, how you manage the conflicts among the team members. Now, the third stage will be the norming stage, when what the conflicts and everything we have seen in the storming stage is normalized and we are ready to work. So its team gets through the storming stage, conflicts is resolved, and some degree of unity emerges. People have the agreement now. Before in the storming stage, they were having the disagreement with each other. Now people start understanding and they have the agreement related to work. So in this norming stage, consensus develops around who the leader or the leaders are, and the individual member role. When you have a team and there are so many of the team members, so what is the roles of individual? We are in agreement of that in the norming stage. Interpersonal differences begin to resolve and the sense of cohesion and the unity emerges. Team members increases during this stage as a member learn to cooperate and begin to focus on the team goals. However, the harmony is precarious, and if any disagreement re-emerge, the team can slide back into the storming. So again, role of a project manager, when you are normalizing the team, you have to maintain or you have to sustain that behavior of the team members. It should not again like as they are again going into the disagreements, and you will go back into the storming condition. Now the next stage will come performing. Performing when the team has normalized and start performing. So in the performing stage, consensus and the cooperation have been well established, and the team is mature, organized, and well functioning. There is very clear, stable structure. Members are committed to the team mission. Problems and the conflicts still emerge, but they are dealt with constructively. The team is focused on the problem solving and the meeting goals. The last one is adjourning, which we also call as in celebration. So in celebration, the adjourning stage, most of the team goals have been accomplished. Because you know the project is a temporary endeavor. So once the project is complete, the team members will go back to their regular work. And before we go, we appreciate and celebrate. So the emphasis is on wrapping up the final task, documenting the effort and the result. And as the workload is diminished, individual members may be reassigned to other teams, and the teams are disabled or dismantled. There may be a regret as the team ends, so a ceremonial acknowledgement of the teamwork and the success of the team can be helpful, and we should do that. If the team is a standing committee with ongoing responsibilities, so member may be replaced by the new people, and the team can go back to a forming or storming stage and the repeat the development process. I tried to show the graphical performance of the team effectiveness as the team grows. So when you say forming, in the forming team, you are doing some performance. Suppose here is your effectiveness is around 40 or 50% as of now when you are forming. Because storming team, we have a lot of conflicts among the team members. They disagree with each other. They create their own group and they go with that. So the effectiveness of the team is expected to go down here in the storming stage. When you normalize the team, then the performance or the effectiveness of the work will definitely go up. And this is highest on the performing. And when adjourning, because there is no as such task left, you have to just celebrate and mental, and that's how the performance goes like this. So in the most critical stage in this team development is your storming stage, when the people disagree with each other. They have a different commitment. They sometimes they do not respect the behavior or the understanding or the knowledge with the other. They understand like as they are only superior and they are supposed to complete the task. So as a project manager, it's very important for you to harmonize the team, understand the behavior of each of the team member, and as per the behavior, as per the task to be performed, normalize the team so that you can deliver the project on time within the cost, and many other metrics you can meet. That's about the stages of team development. I will see you in next session, Sean. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.